Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into a very realistic Lego character using Gemini AI. So the prompt that I'm about to show you is actually a bit different than the typical prompt that you probably saw on the internet when it comes to turning your photo into a Lego character. So my approach here is I'm trying to make the Lego character to be as realistic as possible, and that means we have to add some little imperfection into the picture. Now, just to give you a quick comparison, this is a picture, a Lego character that was created using Gemini, and I was using a basic prompt. It looks fine. I think it is very realistic. It looks quite similar to a typical Lego character, but it looks shiny, it looks plasticky. It's almost like a 3D CGI render in the early 2000s, which is fine. But in my opinion, this one looks way better. Perhaps not because not just because of the fingers holding the character, but also some tiny imperfections in the picture. For example, here there is a tiny chip in the character. There is also some dust, some fingerprint mark, etc. So everything added together, and it makes the character looks more like a real picture or a real item in real life. So this is not the quality that you can get if you're using a basic prompt. So I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into a very realistic Lego character with Gemini's Nano Banana. So let's go to gemini.google.com, or perhaps you can also use the mobile app version of Gemini. And after that, you can upload your own photo. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the photo of this woman that I found on this website. So let me just copy it and paste that into Gemini. And there are two prompts that you can try. Basically, this is the basic prompt and this is the realistic version. So this is the one that was created using the basic prompt. Again, it looked like a plasticky CGI early 2000 render. It is fine, but in my opinion, I think the realistic version looks much better. Regardless, both of the prompts are available in the description down below, so you can copy it. I'm going to copy the one that is realistic. And after that, let's paste that into Gemini. There is one thing that you can modify here in this prompt. You can specify what is the background color that you want to have for this particular photo. I'm going to select the orange background color and click Tools, click Create Images, and just send the message. So just wait for about maybe 10 seconds or perhaps 20 seconds for Gemini, the AI model, to turn this photo into a realistic Lego character. All right, it's almost there. And there you go. So we got this picture. As you can see, there are some tiny imperfections in the picture. There's some scratches, some marks, etc. So overall, I think this is actually making the figure to look more realistic and believable, something that could exist in real life. And that's the quality of this realistic AI prompt. Again, both of the prompts should be available in the description down below, so you can copy and paste it into Gemini, and you can use it to turn your character into a realistic Lego character using Gemini's Nano Banana. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.